I'd recommend Endeavor for financial education and for the products because a lot of this information is not what we are taught in schools. We go through life really not learning how to do a lot of these things, like proper bookkeeping for taxes, or how to get out of debt, or really how to build your credit or even fix your credit if you've gotten into bad situations. So we give you that education. We'll help you do those things. And it's a great service, it's a great product, and the information is second to none. The biggest thing I like to tell people is that it's always easier to maintain a good credit score than it is to try to fix a bad one and try to rebuild from the ground up. Our secret, realistically, I mean, we've seen a lot of other companies and similar companies and what they offer. We've gotten a lot of feedback from our own clients that came from competing companies. And, especially from the basics of the credit repair, there's no other credit company that does what we do. You might pay 3 times as much of what we charge, and they might never give you an update on what's going on with your credit file. You might never understand what's being done on the back end. They might never teach you how to build new credit, even if your scores start going up, even if all the negative items come off. There's so much more to credit than just having no negative items, and that's really where we come in, and that's where our other analysts come in, and they'll give you that monthly follow-up or bi-monthly follow-up just to make sure you're on the right track and stay on the right track.